Oh, hey there. This is day 5 on this house. So 5 days ago, we poured concrete, and then we've been framing, we got all the windows in, and then we're doing soffit and fascia. As soon as our inspector shows up, which could be any time today, then we will start doing siding and start getting plumbing. Now, for us to be able to work this quickly, we need to understand how a tape measure works, and I realize that a lot of you don't know how this works. So, let me show you. This is called a tape measure. Mine's 35 feet. You know why? Because I have to measure big things. Okay, now, obviously, you know, your foot marks are black, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But plywood and sheetrock is on 4-foot centers, right? So that means if you do 16-inch centers, 16, 32, 48, that lands on 4 feet, and obviously 4 feet lands on an 8-foot center. Now, how do you get close here? Take a real close look on that. So, that is 1 inch, okay? Everything, look, we're gonna go to 3 inches, so between 2 and 3, okay? Everything in the American Standard System is based on halves. So, that is, we're gonna call it a full inch. It would be here, but whatever. So, the big line, that's a 1/2 inch, okay? Half of that is a 1/4 inch, half of that is 1/8 of an inch, and half of that is a 1/16 of an inch. That's the whole thing. There's only 16 bits there, okay? So, that's 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and then another inch. And that's how it works. And maybe you're thinking, it's more complicated than that. It's not. That's it. The tape measure doesn't lie. A lot of people are like, well, I mean, you gotta factor in the fact that, I'm like, you gotta factor in nothing. You gotta measure it, and whatever that says, you mark it and you cut it to that, because the tape measure is not a liar like we are.